Today I'm going to show you how to cite your work using Google Docs. As you can see, I wrote a little piece about Abraham Lincoln, but not all of the information did I know before I started my research. For example, Abraham Lincoln, when and where he was born. In order to put that information in my piece, I have to cite it and say where I found that information. And how you would do that is highlight that information, go to Tools, Research, and here on the right side of the screen, different web results pop up. I happen to know that I got that information from history.com, but if I was unsure, I could do three things. I could preview. Yep, that's it. That's where I found it. I could insert a link, and if I did that, if I held my mouse over that area, any teacher or anyone else could click on it and see where you got that information. But today we're learning how to cite, so I'm going to click on Cite. Number 1 pops up there. If you scroll down, you'll see here, Abraham Lincoln, www.history.com. There's our first citation. The next piece of information that I'm going to cite is an interesting fact about Lincoln. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that again. I didn't know that he was only defeated once in 300 matches. So Tools, Research. And if I scroll down again on the right side, I got that information from Biography. Again, I could preview it. Yep, bio.com. And I'm going to click Cite, and a number 2 pops up. So now I have my first citation, second citation, and scrolling down there in number order down there. Now let me show you how to add a picture. Let's use this one. It's one of my favorite of Abraham Lincoln. Okay, when I drop that picture in, you notice a number 1 comes up here. It drops the 1 to 2 and the 2 over here to 3 because it's actually bumped down to my third citation. It keeps track of them as you go along, and if you were to edit your work and move things around, it'll keep track of that for you so that you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel. One more thing I want to show you is you can do this in MLA format, APA, or Chicago. So if you were doing this for a science, for example, you might change it to APA. But since we're in English, we're going to be using MLA. Another thing you could do if you were looking for additional research, you could type in his information here. It's going to think about it, and it'll give you a couple other websites that you might want to browse and look for more information to make a better piece. Okay, that's how you cite using Google Docs. It's quick, it's easy, and now you know.